Okay, testing. 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plains, and the ants in France stay mainly in your pants. It is 8:14. I started late, but then I scheduled it for 8:20, so I'm starting early. So I guess everything's good. So welcome to Forex.Today, the YouTube community of more than 4 million foreign exchange traders. Thank you for being a subscriber. I apologize for being late today. I just don't feel good. All of a sudden, like it just hit me. Blah. So anyways, it's a sick day, but you know, I still trade sick days, but just so you know, I'm even just drinking a little cup of coffee. That's it. So, yeah, picked up some Deli Belly somewhere. I didn't even go to India. So anyways, apologize for that. So again, thank you for being a subscriber and a member of our community. You make the world a better place, and I appreciate you. Let's go. Let me remind you that trading is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, is not necessarily indicative of future results. Please stay small, stay humble, focus on the long term, never risk money you cannot afford to lose. So once again, my name is Wayne McDonald. I am a currency trader, and I'm going to do my best to cover technical analysis today. We might talk a little bit of fundies, like are you watching the yield on the 10-year T-note? Yeah, 1.68. Really? 1.68? Really? 1.68. Look at that. That's amazing, isn't it? Yeah. It is amazing. So you got to know these things. But anyways, I'll do my best to cover technical analysis today. This is going to be a quickie. Nothing wrong with a quickie on a Friday, right? So we'll burn through these charts. We'll look at dollar pairs, yen pairs, gold, oil, Bitcoin. If that's what you want to do, you're the boss. I'm a humble currency trader. I'll do my best to serve because, I don't know, this is a servant version of leadership. So I am here to serve you. Please visit tradersway.com and open up a demo account. This live stream doesn't have a cost, but it comes with an obligation. Why would I want that? Well, Traders Way earned my loyalty and respect long ago during the Swiss National Bank debacle that put many brokers out of business, and it proved to me, I don't know, the way that Traders Way handled that situation earned my loyalty and respect. So, therefore, if you open up a demo account today, you're giving them an opportunity to earn your loyalty and respect. And when you're ready to trade real money, you'll already have a broker you trust. You'll have an execution partner that you believe in. Great. And that process for you is easy. So tradersway.com, get her done today, huh? Today. Great. All right. Some yen strength, some dollar strength and dollar weakness, and then pound sideways. Aussie, strong, weak. Kiwi, strong, weak. Euro, weak. CAD, weak, strong. Whoa. Just like, all right, so mixed bag, right? You should look at that and adjust to market conditions. But fundamentally, probably nothing's changed, right? So let's take a look and see what's happened overnight. Okay, the last time I looked at this, I was trading Asia. And yeah, that's good. That's great. That's a number that we had eyeballed. That's really great. I don't buy one touches. There's a double, right? There's a double bottom there. That's interesting. Then there's a roll reversal. So you could be long there. Cool. Okay. And now I'm looking for something like that. What do you think? Smell like a plan? Okay. Huh? What do you think? Smell like a plan? It's plausible. Okay. It's plausible. So I'm eyeballing that and I'm eyeballing that. You eyeball me, boy. No, sir. I was eyeballing the Aussie yen. All right, Euro yen, dog, dog, dog with fleas. Stray dog with fleas. Okay. Huh? Stray dog with fleas. Not like the Aussie. Well, what the heck? Was this a different time frame? No. Huh. Then I go here and I'm like, that's horrible. So now that takes away some of my emphasis on Aussie. Huh. A little less interested. How's this one doing? A little more like Aussie. Okay, kind of holding up somewhere. Maybe. Maybe. So that's kind of maybe the double bottom, but right? But no real higher high yet. And so not as good as Aussie, way better than Euro. So now I'm sort of neutral. So Euro's bad. Pound is mediocrity. Aussie's pretty good. Kiwi, wait, what? What the heck is this? Okay. So let's change the template. Let's throw down a confluence and zoom back in. And no, not really interested. All right, so walk away from that. And now I'm walking away emotionally from Aussie. And CAD, let's take a look, go into the hourly. And we're at this role reversal here, which I already have marked. So it's probably going to fall from here like the other pairs. And so what I'm looking at is, you know, maybe that on Monday, huh? I can't buy it here because it's high. So I can buy it at this price only if it's low. You see this? I can buy it at 92.25 if that's low. Currently, it's high. So what does it mean? How could it be high now and low later? Well, it could be this. Okay? Now it's a low. So it's like, hey, man, you can have it if you want it, but pass. Sorry, Jens, pass. Smell you later, dog. See you Monday. Let's take a look at dollar pairs. Any better? Okay, well, this one's holding up. We're one standard deviation below a positive mean. But the price action on this time frame is not great because it's actually making a series of lower highs and lower lows. Now, the trend is suggesting, like, that's one standard deviation. This is the mean. So if this trend will continue, then we're going to see up today, up on Monday, and that's great. Cool. I don't have to be the one buying it here. So once again, I got some hope. It's all good. I'm okay with the pound, just not today. You can have it. It's yours. I'm not interested. All right, this one now we're moving sideways and we're breaching and double top lower highs. Okay. I don't like it. I look at that and I'm like, maybe it's just waiting for pound to go. Okay, great. I don't like double tops and lower highs if I'm a bull. So pass, not interested. You can have it if you want. Not for me. How's our Kiwi? We just hit a monthly target, stopped. Then we created a lower high and a bearish engulfing candle. Not interested. So maybe it's 71. Looks like we're going to breach that on the 4 hour. So that bothers me. Take a look at here on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is a logical exit. This is a lower high, probably going back to the 200, which is the breach of the 4 hour 21. And so that means at least a pullback to 71, maybe even lower. Oh my. Vulnerable. Not interested. Pass. Taking a look at here, hourly, Aussie dollar. Once again, let's get rid of this. No, well, I'll do it here. Get rid of that. Clean this up a little bit. What do we see? It's been very, very bullish. It is no longer very, very bullish. We're actually, this is a selling price right here. So I'm not really interested. It looks like that if you ask me. But if this holds, or let's say if we break that, we'll probably get something like this, but then that sets up concern around the double top. That's not ideal. Okay. And then USD Kitty Cat is probably the one next. Yep. And that was great because I was hardcore short this. Then this took me out of all my trades, and now it's hardcore short again. Hey, man, it happens. Don't shed tears. Okay? There's no crying in Forex. So what? We'll probably get down in here to support. Then I got this like maybe tomorrow, maybe Sunday, Monday. I short that depending on what everything else does. All right. So I see mediocrity here with the dollar. So I go back. And maybe it's going to be a good day. I'll probably pass now, especially since I'm not feeling good. All of a sudden, just like literally just in the last half an hour, I don't feel good. So maybe I'll take a break, right? Maybe it's a non-trading day. That being said, what should the dollar be doing? Okay. When the stock market crashed 40% last year, the US dollar was strong, and the yield on the 10-year T-note was 0.5. Okay? And I took a bunch of money out of the market because I knew it'd be the cheapest money I'd ever see in the rest of my life on Earth. So I gobbled up the free money. Okay? Great. Now, where are we? 1.7. Okay? 1.5 is 200% increase. It's more than a 200% increase. What's happened to the dollar? La 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 la. Dollar's down. Remember, this is what I taught you. Most people don't understand this. Most people have that ass backwards. They think interest rates are going up 200%, the dollar's going to strengthen. Well, that's what your college professor taught you. Right? At Cambridge Community College. Not their fault because that's what was in the textbook. All right, cool. So they're wrong and I'm right. You're welcome. So I just want to, right? We just even a week ago, we were 1.57 and now we're 1.68. Noise. Okay. Anyway, so if the dollar's strong in the moment, that's okay. It's not minute for minute, but it's logic. It's fundamental. So if the dollar's strong today, fine, great. I don't have to trade it today. It'll probably be weak next week. Cool. Keep my powder dry. Okay. Maida says, I don't know, you know, but yeah, I don't know. I don't have complaints, but I'm Canadian. I don't complain. Right? Canadians, funny, they walk into the emergency room. They have gunshot wounds. And they've been a victim of a bank robbery. And they'll apologize. I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry. You don't need that. You're really busy. You know, I can wait. I mean, I'm so sorry to bother you. And they're like, no, it's okay. You're in an emergency room. You've been shot by a shotgun. You're bleeding profusely all over the floor, and you're about to die. You know what? It's okay, man. I'll try to save you. Canadians are funny, eh? Oh, for sure. So anyways, I have no complaints. Cool. So Bitcoin, yeah, okay. It's just a flesh wound. Okay. Cool. Well, oil doing its thing. What can I say? It's doing what it's supposed to do. But look, just it's so textbook, tickety-boo, right? We drew this one, then we drew this one, then we drew this one. Now we have this one. And great. Let it go until it stops working, right? And gold just doing its thing. I know you don't like these pullbacks, but we set this one up. We set this one up. We set this one up. Look, this is all beautifully set. Great. Maybe we go here. Then we'll get the role reversal, and this will move up there, and you'll probably be buying low at 1,800. Well, we're at 1,800 now. Well, if it goes up and then down, you'll be buying it low at 1,800. And right? And do you remember back in August and September, we were saying 2,000. So maybe you're still thinking 2,000. Okay. Cool. Take a look at exotics. Oh, my peso. Profit. Cool. Look at a rollover. Thetis is a cigar, nice meditation moment. Yeah, it would be good. The funny thing is when you don't feel good, then you're like, I don't even want a cigar. That's when you know you're really sick, right? Or at least I do. We're like, man, I can take the rest of the day off. I can just sit outside and stare at beautiful nature, have a cigar. But I'm like, I don't feel like it. Then you're like, oh, really? Something's wrong. Something's wrong. You should go to the hospital. Beep, 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 beep. Take a look at Rand, and I ran so far away. Holy smokes! Oh my God! Okay, cool. So maybe we'll sell this next week. Yeah, maybe, eh? Could be a rabbit, could be. Cool. So it's been doing well. Thank you, South Africa. Oh, by the way, maybe this is something I'll do today. Do you guys remember Karstens? You guys remember him? Karstens, Karsten? I think it's even plural. He used to run the Bank of Mexico. And now he's at the Bureau of International Settlements. And they have a conference going on today, and it's Karstens and I think someone from the Bank of England and someone from the Reserve Bank of South Africa. Right, so former head of the Bank of Mexico, right, the head of South Africa, the Central Bank of South Africa, and I don't know if it was Bank of England, some other person, right? And I think it'd be very interesting to hear their perspective on, let's say, I mean, look, so I don't even, who cares what the other country is, right? These are two countries I like to trade when representing sort of emerging markets and high yield countries. And both of those bankers are speaking today and at the conference, and that might be an interesting watch. So BIS conference 2021. Let's see if I can find it. It's coming your way. No, wrong one. Bureau of Industry and Security. Wrong one. Wrong one, you. BIS conference. International Conference on Business Information Systems. No. BIS Conference 2021. Karstens. How about that? Karstens. Let's see if we can find that. Here's an article about it, maybe. Centralbanking.com. Interesting. It's not loading. Maybe at the BIS. Oops. Stupid Windows crap. All right. Speech by Karstens. Regulating big tech. Is that what's going on? No, that's his old tech. Maybe under... If you guys know... Okay. Maybe it's just right on the home page. By the way, if you don't know the BIS, the Bureau of International Settlements is the central bank for central banks. Did you know that? Isn't that interesting? Oh, anyways, so I don't know what's going on here. So if maybe do a search, find it, but it'd be something to pay attention to. There might be something very interesting for us to learn about how emerging market central bankers feel about interest rates going up in the United States. Because they will have to adjust. So it'd just be very interesting to get, just to see. They may not tell you, like, here's what I think about the Fed raising interest rates and how it'll affect emerging markets. But that's who they are. It's who they are, so you get it through their point of view, right? Press releases, speeches. Okay, so anyways, you'll have to find it. Oh, wait, is Powell speaking there too? I mean, here's Karstens. By the way, I think Karstens is a good central banker. I've made comments before. Look how big he is. He's a big dude. But I made reference before that the Central Bank of Mexico has a great website. They have great research. I used to download and read his speeches, even though it was in Spanish. I'd have it translated, or I'd just look at the charts and figure it out. So I have respect for him. And so anyways, there's some good stuff. Look at this, the global economy. Okay. This is just a couple of days ago. That might be worth watching, right? So anyways, there's stuff going on here. See if you can figure it out. See if you can find it. And with that, I will bid you adieu. Have a wonderful weekend. Remember, those in my live trading groups, we are not meeting Friday afternoons. Instead, we meet Sunday evening. So I will see you Sunday evening at 8 p.m. New York time if you're in my live group. If you'd like to join, here's what you do. Because this is a special thing. It's special. You have to first go to FX Bootcamp, put a credit card in, pay the money. That gives you access to dozens and dozens and dozens of hours of training videos. Like lectures, not just like, hey, watch me trade, because you already get that here. Okay, great. So you get a formal education. When you sign up for that, then it says, hey, would you like to join my swing trading group? It's $99. It's not a lot of money. Okay, we set up trades worth 300 pips. Simple enough. So you're like, yeah, I'd like to join that. Cool. Then it unlocks an area where it shows now you can access, and it's showing you that you can also join my limited time, like it's just, I just started doing this a month ago of day trading with people. Every single day, multiple times a day we meet. So then you can join that. You're like, that's so much. Well, it's going to be like $500 to join plus $99 a month for the swing trading group. So now you're into it for $600. And then now the day trading group is only $200, but it's a one-time fee. It's just once. So $800. But it'll probably change your life as a currency trader. I don't know. Probably. Okay? I don't think it'll be the worst decision you ever made, but it might be potentially, if not the best, a pretty good one. It might be a pretty good decision. So anyway, so that's that. There's a sales pitch. Okay. Have a nice weekend. See you when I see you. Cheers.